How to fix common floor cracks and stains. When selling your home, you want it to look its best to buyers. Unfortunately, buyers are likely to notice any cracks or stains on your floor. Luckily, there are many do-it-yourself solutions to help make your floors look significantly better. Let's start with the stains. If you have carpeting, there are a number of spot cleaning products on the market. But before you try one of those, consider this simple remedy. Sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on the stain and then add just enough drops of white vinegar to make it bubble. Wait a couple minutes, then dab carefully with a paper towel and vacuum the residual. This method often works. For hard floors, gentle rubbing with warm water will take care of most stains. If you have hardwood floors, don't let the area remain wet. Dry it completely. Ceramic tile floors often have old, discolored grout that is an eyesore. Of course, there are products available to clean grout, but try using an old toothbrush and water before investing in those products. Scrub the grout gently, then mop the entire area. If you have minor damage to a section of hardwood floor or floor tiles, for example, a chip or a crack, the best solution is a replacement. Unfortunately, this isn't a DIY-friendly job, so unless you've done it successfully before, I would personally consider hiring a contractor. If the crack is minor and you don't want to replace the piece, there are sealing products available which will camouflage a crack, to some extent though, so this will prevent it from getting worse at least. If you have a flooring crack or stain you're concerned about, try these tips. Also, check out your local home improvement center for more ideas. If you need help finding the right contractors, feel free to reach me at chatwithrayortiz.com.